This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Do Not Disturb or Focus. You must confirm your OS version and whether carrier level DND applies. This affects options you'll see. Once done, enable DND immediately so calls are silenced while you adjust exceptions. Make sure to pick immediate activation rather than a schedule if you need instant relief, and glance at the visuals to confirm the icon or status bar indicator shows DND active before moving on. Now you configure who, if anyone, can reach you. You'll choose between allowing calls from favorites, contacts, or no one. Pick the strictest that meets your needs and save it. If your system supports it, turn on repeated caller bypass so emergency callers who call twice within 3 minutes can get through. Once set, select whether to silence calls always or only while locked, because that determines whether in-use apps can still show call notifications. Adjust so interruptions stop when you want them to. Finish by testing. Have someone call you from a non-allowed number and from a favorite to verify the settings behave as intended. If calls still get through, check app-level phone or VoIP permissions and disable call notifications there, because third-party apps can bypass system DND. If settings don't apply, toggle DND off and on or reboot the device. If that fails, delete and recreate the focus/DND profile. One key tip: carrier-level call forwarding or services can override DND. Contact your carrier if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.